DV-Tech 4 Kelvin Action Camera Wi-Fi Waterproof 30mm Sport Camera 16MP Ultra HD 1080p Underwater DV Camcorder Action Cam with Remote 2 batteries Bike Helmet Mounting Accessories Kit for Cycling Snorkeling. The apps support iOS and Android cell phone. It's have been updated as app. Please download it from Apple Store or Google Play or scan the QR code specification. This waterproof camera support 4 Kelvin at 30 fps, 2.7 Kelvin at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, 720p at 120 fps, 170-degree wide-angle lens. Fisheye effect on your videos. 170-degree wide-angle lens allows you to shoot stunning scenes and record all your memorable adventures in a wide Sony 179 sensor with 6G lens contribute to the HD video and image view. Angel support Wi-Fi, waterproof, easily preview videos and pictures with the built-in 2-inch HD LCD display on the back. You can view image resolution of 16MP, high-performance video and audio and photo quality. DV-E2 Kelvin Asian Camera Wi-Fi easier mounting with IP68 waterproof case, 4x digital zoom designed and made to be used for extreme sports, outdoor sports, security devices, recording your car driving, cycling, climbing, diving, etc. Come with 18 mounts and accessories which are compatible. 6 glass HD lens group Wi-Fi connection. DV-E2 waterproof Asian camera super Wi-Fi connection and download from DV-E2 S2 Wi-Fi 4 Kelvin acetone camera and support share photo or video with Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Language supported: English / German / French / Spanish / Italian / Portuguese / Chinese / Japanese / Russian. Note: micro SD card of class 10 is highly recommended for action camera. Format the micro SD card first on the camera before using. What's in the action camera box? 1x DV-Tech 4 Kelvin Wi-Fi action camera, 2x 900 mAh battery, 1x waterproof case, 1x bicycle stand, 7x mount, 2x clip, 1x helmet mounts, 1x bandages, 5x tethers, 1x protective backdoor, 1x USB cable, 1x AC charger, 1x lens cloth, 1x user manual. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below now.